Alright, so going back again with our discussion, sorry ha, for a while, para chop-chop video din tayo na para hindi kayo nahihirapan na 30 minutes to. Now, the child is able to plan and organize a simple, familiar activity. So imagine by this age, ito yung standards na kanila. Now, in 2 to 3 years old, 2.5 to 3 years old, they can now plan how to carry out activity with adult guidance, how to eat, household chores, and putting structure in activities. Now, we can now start allowing them to help us in household chores, diba? Has almost everything he needs before starting an activity. Now, 3 to 4 years old, can dress, can bake. This is a good thing. That's why at 3 to 4 years old, we need to allow them to be independent. And 4 to 5 years old, now, he could do an activity without an adult guidance. Siguro, ang kagandahan dito siguro sa adult, maybe ang pwede na lang niyang gawin ay nandun lang siya. Alright? Now, the child is able to generate, for the creative thought, the child is able to generate new ideas or concepts or new associations. Ayan yung cue, association between existing ideas or concepts. Now, for 2.5 to 3 years old, they pretend to grown-up activities. Nagpe-playing sila. Ano pa ba? Okay, so pwedeng engage in grown-up activities, playing office. So, ito yung mga gusto mo ng mga work. I remember back then, when I was in this age, I usually play like I am a cashier. Diba? Yung mga ganyan. You will imagine you're in a cashier, you are a secretary, a guard. Alright? So, pwedeng ganyan. And in addition, pwede din siya na pretends to be a character in familiar story, especially this. So, everybody would like to become heroes. Diba? I want to be a hero. So, create new words or names for people or objects. Now, 3 to 4 years old, can make up pun jokes, can show some dance moves. Nakakatuwa to, no? Create series of song using familiar melody, pretends to be a character, his own made-up story. So, kanina, familiar story, but 3 to 4 years old, made-up story na siya. Meron na siyang role-playing na nagaganap sa utak niya. Now, formulates rules to implement in a game. In 4 to 5 years old, can draw things seen from experience but with no actual model references. From memory na siya. Dati kasi may kinakopy lang tayo. Tapos ngayon, hindi na. Now, can draw and paint things that do not exist in real life, again, for fantasy or imagination nila. Now, in the standards 1 for cognitive and flexibility, the child is able to shift to more adaptive cognitive processing strategies in order to effectively deal with new and unexpected conditions in his or her environment, including problem situations. Now, in 2.5 to 3 years old, modifies actions based on new experiences, explores alternative solutions to a problem, selects one option, and is able to shift activities without fuss, is able to know when to topic conversation, has changed and adjust accordingly. Now, for your activity, of course, Slytherin. Alam ko Slytherin wala ba. So, Slytherin, kindly summarize pa-summarize ko ba kayo Slytherin? No. Not summarize. Sorry, not summarize. I don't like to summarize it. But, I want you to write down on your notebooks. So, write 3 takeaways for this. Okay, so Slytherin, lahat ng Slytherin, you write 3 takeaways for this. So, kung dito sa mula sa higher order mental abilities. For higher order, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, until dyan. Alright. Now, so the child is changing and we can see there's a big improvement na. The question is, what is the role of caretakers of preschool? Learning about how preschool think, learn, one will realize that parents and teachers can do a lot, either to help preschool develop their cognitives or impede them. With the best of intentions, one can do things. So, importante din na they will not harass them. The preschool teacher passed the entrance examination and so they harass the preschoolers to master. Yan ang minsan problema sa adults. We would like to say, ano ba naman yan anak? Gusto kitang makapasa sa Ateneo. Kaso, ba't ganyan? Ang bobo mo naman. Di ba? May ganun, ano? So, dapat hindi ganun. Each preschoolers are different from one another. And we cannot make it na, okay lang yan. Ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Ang daming mga ginagawa sa preschoolers. So, allow them to grow. And as, we need to give them the environment, the proper environment for that. Now, prominent organizations that have position about the appropriate practices in the care and education of preschoolers are the National Association for Education of Young Children and the Association for Childhood Education. Be sure to check out this website. So, at least you will have the idea about preschools. And, of course, this will be task 4. So, tapos na tayo sa Slytherin, Ravenclaw. Let us give this to the Hufflepuff. Okay. So, for the Hufflepuff, I want you to check this website, Association, okay, and the Social Child Education. Ayan. So, check niyo siya. And then, I want you to give 2 things, just 2 things you've learned from the organization. Just 2 things you've learned from the organization. Alright? Now, the role of caregivers to the 3-year-olds. Ano nga ba? 1, speak with children as often as possible. Use short sentences which they can understand. Add your information to your children's sentences. Instead of saying, yes, that's a flower. Pwede tayo magdagdag. Yes, that's a flower. As you can see, it is soft. It is colorful. There are 2 colors. It smells so nice. It smells so sweet. It is edible. O, di ba? May mga dagdag tayo ganun. Teach children to memorize first and last names. Yan, lagi natin ginagawa yan. My name is, di ba mga ganun? Lalo na pag nawala sila, di ba? It's very important that they know it. Baka mamaya mawala yung bata. Naku, delicates yan. Now, provide books for children to read and read the same books to them. Now, with these students, it's actually pricey to buy books. But what you will learn, it's very important. Well, ma'am, ang mahal-mahal ng libro. Sandaan. We could go online, Shopee, maghanap ka ng books that they could, and read it to them. You know, the power of storytelling is, you will never imagine it's really, really helpful. It's really nice. Read these books to them so that they could start reading early. Napaka-importante that the child will learn how to read because if they don't read, my God, what will happen to them? Especially for you guys, if you have hard time speaking the language, if you have hard time conversing with other people, if you have hard time to understand, putulin nyo na sa inyo. Tama na, nahirapan na kayo dun eh. Sa susunod na, sa mga magiging anak ninyo, you start reading books to them. You start to excite them. Create this motivation that they would love to read. They would love to listen to you how to read. You will help them to decode. Yeah. So, encourage interest in reading and writing by sharing a grocery list note for parents. Provide paper, small notebooks, and markers to use them for dramatic play. And count objects. So, you can say, Nah, how many eggs do we have? How many eggs do we need to buy? So, so kasama siya sa grocery. Now, I need to explain how things happen with the help of a reference book. So, pwede natin sabihin sa kanya, pwede tayong gumawa ng mga activities such as magnetic attraction, freezing water, planting seeds, making terrarium, and flying kites on a windy day. Pwede ka doon. Provide toys, can be put together. Diba? Maganda rin yon. And sing simple songs with rhythm instruments. So, gagawa kayo ng mga kanta. Ayan, mga munggo. Ayan. So, pwede yan. Nakikita ko yung ginagawa sa preschool eh. Okay. Now, for 4-year-olds, read aloud each day and encourage children to look at books on their own. Provide alternative reading material of collection. So, kung hindi kayo masyado, pwede naman na may mga ibang bagay pabasa nyo sa kanya. Say nursery rhymes and finger plays together. Encourage 4-year-olds to tell a story as well. Encourage interest in writing words. Alright, teach important number and space concepts. Sort of count everything, silverware, socks, ito. Teach children the correct use of the telephone. Encourage 4-year-olds to help plan and plant garden. So, kasama yan, yung paghahalaman. Lalo na marami tayong plantito and plantitas dito. Now, add drama to for 5-year-olds, add drama for your reading sessions each day for using the voices of different characters. So, you could have a soft voice like, add drama to your reading sessions. Diba? Para kung may character kayo or medyo ikaw yung scary. Add drama in reading sessions each day by different voices. Diba? May mga ganon. Or maybe you can use other characters or allow them to use. Okay, so what is the sound of the mice? Iba pala yun. Ganon din. Okay. Ask 5-year-olds to tell you a story. Write it down and post it to the wall of refrigerator. So, pwede mong i-record yung bata na nagte-tell ng story. Ask what-if questions. Okay, for instance, during your stories sa the three little pigs, what if there's 5? Diba? Paano ko gan? Okay, sa Little Red Riding Hood, what if her color is not red but black? Diba? Matatakot ba yung wolf? Diba? Involve children in writing thank you holidays. I remember back then, my mom, whenever we have Christmas gifts with our family, we usually exchange and give gifts to our relatives. I was always involved in writing thank you, Merry Christmas, mga ganon. Tapos lalagay ko yung pangalan. It's really nice that you are part of it. Give our opportunity to sort, group, match, and count sequence with real-life situations such as setting the table. Ayan. Take questions seriously kahit nakakatamad. Carlos will show an increasing interest in numbers so encourage them to count anything that they want. So, kasama yan sa mga kinakount nila. Encourage interest in jokes, nonsense and riddles and reading. Give opportunities to express dramatic and creative interests. So, paano mag-dramatize? Opening of flower, falling leaves or rain, with worms and snake. So, yung mga yan. Okay. Now, we are in the social. Actually, this is another lesson kasi ito ay kasama na natin dito yung science. Tama ba? Science and math. Tama ba? Yes. Okay. So, this part is the end for the Filipino, Biped, and English. So, stop ko na itong, this is different na. Yung susunod kasi kasama na yung science. Alright. Stop. Thanks.